Hey guys, we're going to be making slime with baby shampoo. These are going to be several different shampoo and another shampoo and body wash. First, we are going to be adding the baby shampoo. So guys, we added the baby shampoo. Now we need to add the shampoo. Now we're adding the shampoo to the baby wash. You might need all of the shampoo in this bottle if you have a little bottle like me. Next, we are going to be adding the body wash. I got something on me. Okay, we are going to be adding the body wash. The reason why I stopped this because something like crawled on me, so I had to get it off. And then we have to add the body wash. I just wanted to try this and see if it turned into slime. And last but not least, we have to add the shampoo. I have to stop this video so I can get the shampoo open. So see you in a sec. So now we are going to be adding the lemon shampoo, the holiday shampoo, into the bowl. It's kind of gold. Don't need to use all of it, but if you want to, you can. Now we're going to mix it. And it might turn to a blue color. This is turning into a light green. And then you have to leave it in the freezer for an hour. And guys, before I wanted to put it in the freezer, we are going to put a lotion that's called Shine. I will have to pause this and see you in a sec, and so I could open this. Okay. Now we're going to add the Shine to the slime. You might have to take the top off, but that should be enough. Now I will go to put it in the freezer. See you in an hour.